He can decide. Oh, well, that was it. 13 deliveries. I'm going to hit that one out of the ground.
On his knees, stand and deliver. In these innings, if he stays there.
Fine. Yep. Outside edge. He really went after it.
Yes, it does. To the side screen, 6 runs. Iftikhar Ahmed and Shakib Al-Assam. 100 for 4 they are. A platform where they can take him. Is he given? He's hit it away. That's gone a long way. And they're loving it. Shamim is on the extreme pressure maximum. And again, bother trying, just throw it back. He's taking a liking to the maximum. That's 3 in the over. Oh no! It's enormous! That was the beat. And Iftikhar is on. Oh, tennis! Oh no, he's put it down! Will bring up a 50. Yeah. No mistakes whatsoever. That was a. What an innings he's playing. That's 4 as well. He's dealing in boundaries. The game is. They'll be flustered. They'll be beaten all over. He's doing it. Corner. Here I come. Thank you. I'll take Tom's way. Goodbye. And. And. Over. Another 6. If the heart didn't. Goes again. There's a repetition of the shots. It's Harris bowling. Main spectators at the moment. With the due in, the amount of. Look at that go. Nothing can do. Landed back on the land, and that was more than his bat. 99. That gets his 100. Terrific stuff. He's moved because of this man and the skipper. Iftikhar.
इसी के साथ आज की मजदूरी यहीं खत्म करते हैं। अगर तुम्हें वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक मारो और अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो। वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पर फूट फेंक के मारो या फिर मोमबत्ती, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए। अब मैं भी जा रहा हूं, मुझे पैसों के पीछे भागना है। बाय।